Are you a dummy? Well, you've come to the right place. We're cooking bacon and eggs. So what you need is this. Some bacon. Eggs. And last but not least, some oil.
And of course some other things, but they're not as important.
Alright, so, first things first. Light this bitch. Second thing, put the fucking pan on. Then,
Wait, do I want to do the bacon first or the egg first?
never mind, we need oil anyways. That's more than enough. Alright, next we need Joe. Joe Mama. Yeet!
I'm gonna have to clean it up after this. Oh, fuck.
Alright, it's clean, and I got another egg. Anyways, what you gotta do is crack that egg. And just do that. Then you let it fry. Of course, you gotta stand like 2 meters back, because you used too much oil, you dumb fuck. Oh, and of course, holy fuck, you gotta feed the shit bacon. Holy shit. Actually painful. So much oil. I made a mistake. Okay, things got too dangerous. I had to move it all. Holy fuck. Now you're left with 1 egg with salmonella. Next, you turn on the other stove. Move this shit back on. And keep cooking. You're not done yet, champ. Not done yet. But you can go ahead and crack the other egg. Considering you have more space. If you already had space, then good on you. But look at that. Perfect. Now, since it's safer, you can get real close to it. Right? Because it's cooler. But you see, I like my eggs with the yolk hard. But hey, you got 1 piece of bacon, and you got more space for more. So why not? Look at these. Big, beautiful strips of bacon. Ah, the oil. But it looks like your egg's ready. So, all we gotta do now is cook the bacon. So all you gotta do, right? Just that. And align the bacon to straight. Then put the last one in. And then let it fry. That's all you gotta do. Let it fry. Don't forget to flip the bacon. Never forget, you need to cook both sides, not just the one. You see that? Now your bacon's very ready. You gotta move the plate, I'm sorry. You gotta move the plate so you don't spill oil everywhere. Then just put the bacon in your plate. And that's it. You've got salmonella with an extra side of meat, bitch.